Hi there, and welcome to Zimist Coded. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel using data validation. This is a handy feature that makes your Excel sheets more interactive, organized, and user-friendly. Whether you're managing data for a small project or handling a complex system, this skill will save you a ton of time. Let's dive right in. To demonstrate, we'll use an example employee table with 3 columns: employee name, department, and status. Our goal is to make the department and status columns into drop-down lists so users can select options instead of manually typing them. This reduces errors and speeds up data entry. We'll cover 2 scenarios today. First, we'll create a longer drop-down list for the department column. The items will come from a data source, which can be within the same sheet or a different one. Second, we'll create a shorter drop-down list for the status column with just 2 items: active and inactive. For this, we'll directly enter the values without using an external data source. Oh, and stick around till the end. I'll share a cool trick to simplify working with drop-down lists even further. Ready? Let's get started. Creating a drop-down list using an external data source. If you have a long list of options, it's a good idea to place them in a separate location, such as another sheet. For this demonstration, I've created a new sheet called Departments, where I've listed all the departments in our organization. Next, we'll return to the Employee Details sheet to create our drop-down list for the Department column. Here's what you need to do. 1. Select the cells where you want the drop-down list to appear. 2. Go to the Data tab, locate the Data Tools group, and click Data Validation. 3. In the pop-up window, find the Settings tab and choose List from the options. 4. Now you'll need to link the drop-down list to your data source. Click the icon next to the source box, navigate to the Departments sheet, and select all the department names. Once done, press Enter, and Excel will populate the source for your list. Click OK, and voila! The Department column now features a fully functional drop-down list. Notice how Excel restricts inputs to the options you've defined. If anyone tries to enter a different value, they'll get an error message. Pretty cool, right? Creating a short drop-down list without an external data source. Now let's move on to the status column. This time, we'll create a simple drop-down list with just 2 options: active and inactive. The steps are quite similar. 1. Select the cells where the drop-down list should appear. 2. Go to the Data tab, click Data Validation, and choose the List option. 3. Instead of referencing a data source, directly type the options into the source box, separated by a comma: active, inactive. Click OK, and your short drop-down list is ready to use. See how quick and easy that was? Bonus trick: naming your data source. Now for the promised trick. Let's revisit the Department drop-down list and simplify its setup using named ranges. Here's how. 1. Go to the Departments sheet and select the list of department names. 2. Just above the formula bar, give this range a name, like DEPS. Press Enter to save. You can now reference this name instead of selecting the range each time. Let's return to the Employee Details sheet and recreate the drop-down list for the Department. 1. Select the target cells, go to Data Validation, and choose the List option. 2. In the source box, type equals deps or the name you've assigned. Click OK, and that's it. This approach makes managing your data source easier, especially if your list changes over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more time-saving tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.